Hey there traders, I've got an awesome scalping strategy to share with you today. It uses two free TradingView indicators, and by the end of this video, you'll learn when to buy or sell, where to set a stop loss, and how to find the best take profit levels. Let's get started. We're going to use TradingView with a 15-minute gold chart. But don't worry, this works for all sort of markets and time frames. First, we need to add the channel with patterns indicator. To get it, open the indicator section in the TradingView and in the search bar, type in channels with patterns by chart prime, then add it to your chart. Now it's time to play with the settings to find what works best for this strategy. This indicator is awesome. Not only does it draw channels on the chart automatically, but it also gives signals when the price breaks out of those channels. It's a great tool for price action traders. When the price goes above the channel, you get a breakup signal telling you it might be a good time to buy. And on the other hand, if the price drops below the channel, you'll see a breakdown signal hinting that it could be a smart move to sell. All in all, this indicator makes it super easy to keep an eye on price movements and make informed trading decisions. So here's the thing, we won't just rely on the channels with patterns indicator alone. To make smarter trades, we need a confirmation indicator and some important rules to know when and where to trade and how to manage risk. But before we dive into that, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the TradeGenius for more amazing trading strategies using simple free indicators. Now let's head back to the TradingView's indicator section and search for MACD Reloaded indicator. Once you've added it, we'll tweak some settings to turn it into a confirmation indicator. Just follow my lead. The MACD reloaded histogram helps us understand the market momentum. So when it's yellow, it shows an uptrend momentum, which means the market is moving upward, signaling a potential opportunity for buying. On the other hand, when the histogram is red, it indicates a downtrend momentum, suggesting that the market is moving downward, which could be a good time to consider selling. Remember, these are not definitive buy or sell signals, but rather indicators of the market's direction. Let's not forget the white histogram. When the MACD reloaded histogram is white, it suggests that the market is in a neutral state with no clear trend or momentum. In this situation, it's generally wise to stay patient and wait for a more definitive signal before entering a trade. Remember, sometimes the best move is not to trade at all and let the market show its hand before making a decision. Let's break down the right time to buy or sell. When the price moves above the channel, it's a potential to buy signal. However, we need a second confirmation from the MACD reloaded indicator. If it shows a yellow bar indicating an uptrend momentum, that's our green light to buy. So you can enter a buy trade. Don't forget to set a stop loss at the recent swing low or below the channel's lower level to protect yourself in case the market turns. And to lock in those profits, aim for 1.5 times the distance between your entry and stop loss point. Now it's time to talk about when to sell. Look for the price drops below the channel, signaling a potential sell opportunity. But hold your horses. We need confirmation from the MACD reloaded indicator first. If it shows a red histogram bar, that's our cue for a downtrend momentum, and it's time to pounce. Protect your trade by setting a stop loss at the recent swing high or above the channel's upper level. And when it's time to cash in on your smart move, aim for 1.5 times the distance between your entry and stop loss point. And remember, practice makes perfect, so give it a whirl and make it your own. Before you go, don't forget to check out our recommended video on your screen for more game-changing trading strategies, and keep crushing it, traders. Happy trading!